Alright guys, and we're back. Today, I got my car up in the air. Why? Not because I have to, but just because, you know, I got this big old lift, I might as well use it. Makes the job a little bit easier. But what are we working on today? Well, today, we're going to be ripping these plastic pieces off the car here and putting on these nice new Aeroflow Dynamic ones. Let's get them opened up. Bam! Look at these nice new shiny pieces that are going to go on the side of my car. So first we're going to have to go around and rip all this plastic off, and then we can get started on throwing these things on and see how it looks and compares. Okay, so I got the all the plastic fender lining crap covered side pieces off. Yeah, those things. And as you can see, it's just a whole bunch of holes in the fender, and it looks like there's double-sided tape here. You can just kind of roll it off with your thumb. So you want to get this nice and clean before you put the new one on, since the new one does come with its own tape as well. Which, come over here, we can compare them. So the old one, you're gonna have to take all these little pop clips and move them onto the new one. When you compare them side by side, you can definitely see the new one is pretty thick. It's supposed to be about 10 millimeters wide, or at least add 10 millimeters, I guess. Maybe we can do a little measurement and see. But you can tell this one's a lot thinner, the plastic one. So this should look pretty nice. The black seems to match the car pretty well. Looks like it's even got the nice little flake in it, just like the factory black does. So I think this should look pretty cool. Let's get these things ready, and we'll slap it on the car and see how it looks. Alright, I got it on. Actually looks really good. The fitment's nice and flush against the fender. You can see it sits nice and tight all the way along here. And then the front pieces here take a little bit of finessing in order to get them back in. They sit actually behind this fog light cover bezel, so you have to get it behind there, and you get the pop clips back in, and sits pretty nice after that. So I'm going to finish up the rest of these, get that going, and then guess we'll check back once we're all done. By the way, they also give you this adhesion promoter, which you can definitely use if you want that to stay on the car forever, or at least a longer amount of time with no issues. But I plan to take them back off again in the future, possibly for a wrap. I don't know. Guess we'll see. Alright guys, so I just got them on, and holy crap, it looks so much better. I want to pull this out in the sunlight so we can see what it really looks like, put it on the ground, and wow. That looks nice. We're gonna take a look outside. All right, that looks great. Man, that really brings the car together. I actually wish Subaru would have painted this from the factory, because it really makes the car look a lot better. And then now we're going to have to do the side skirts and probably a little bit of the front bumper, make it look even better. But I think with that black grille and the fender flares, that's nice. Next up, we're going to be lowering this thing, putting some different wheels on it, and maybe some other stuff. Definitely got some things planned, so keep watching.